We are the Finnish AM ecosystem, so pushing the AM forward in Finland, but also worldwide, because we believe that AM should be introduced in the more companies than it is right now. We are trying to push the technology forward, help companies utilizing the AM in Finland, but also worldwide. So that's our aim, and that's what we are as a company. So basically, we push companies to work together and to help each other, share the knowledge that they have in other companies, and in that way we can really boost the innovations about the AM in general. So AM is factoring apart layer by layer. So that gives you a freedom of design, that gives you a freedom of imagining different things. And when you transfer your imagination to the 3D model, you're actually able to manufacture it.
So to joining the FAME, I think that it a little bit depends what kind of company you have, but I think of smaller companies especially, they get the, let's say, visibility in the market, so they get to know because they join and we have a great network in the FAME. That's the one benefit. And of course the best is then to meet the other companies and to share the best practices and so on. Let's say learning from each other. And of course we are then, for all the companies, we are managing to get the funding so that if there's a good idea, so we will then look if there's other companies the same interest. I think that's the one thing, and I think really would also raised up the importance to meet also face to face. So we organize regularly some face-to-face meeting, because I think when people are meeting each other, there come the best ideas. I think at least those are the benefits.
So my name is Emily Hashem. I'm an ecosystem facilitator in FAME, Finnish Additive Manufacturing Ecosystem in Finland. And our role and our purpose in FAME is to mostly bring experts in additive manufacturing together through the ecosystem, experts from companies, research organizations, and other corporates as well, in order to co-create, innovate, and talk to each other, basically. So this is what we try to do in FAME, and this is how we are building the ecosystem. We have here Timo from Matterflow, Timo Peltonen, nice to see you. So Matterflow is part of FAME. Can maybe Timo tell us a bit more why you are part of FAME?
We want to participate the whole ecosystem of 3D printing, and no other company involved, and all the suppliers and machine providers basically, and also involved in the design of 3D printing or printed parts basically. We are a component manufacturer after all, so we are looking for more business obviously, and this is good way to do it by coming here in Germany with FAME. It's easy.
If you're interested in getting to know more about the ecosystem, get in touch, and we'll be happy to have a meeting with you.